Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This video is more about how to center an item that's not centerable to rotate something around, because this is a triangular shape. Well, let's just do that. Control G and hit P, put it in the center of the page, bring in our indexing lines and hit P. You can see that it is left to right, but not up and down. It's not centerable. So how you would do something like that, let's make it a little bit bigger. Anyway, take a rectangle and just make one of the numbers an even number. Like we're going to go 1 inch. And then we are going to go to the edit corners with it locked. Type in any number, like I'm just going to type in 1 inch, and that gets you rounded corners. Then make you a round ball, an ellipse, and make it 1 inch. Let's go ahead and select both of them and hit P, put them in the center of the page. And then let's hit L and put that other ball to the left. And because of that, now we can take this, Control D, and make a duplicate of it. And then see, that's helping us center this rotation. So we're going to go 60 degrees. Now take this ellipse, hold down the shift, select the other, and hit R. Now your ball's on that side. So now select that, Control D to make a duplicate, hit the X once to put it in the center, and then a negative 60 degrees. Now you can get rid of your ball. Your ball was just for that reason. Now we're going to delete those lines. Whoop, a little too far. So now you have our object. But to help center this item, we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and we're going to fill in this triangle. And then I'm going to left click, right click, it doesn't matter what color. And then you can do a couple of 2-point lines off this line because it's going to give you a midpoint. So go midpoint. Doesn't matter which way you go, it'll tell you midpoint. And I must be off on one of them because they're supposed to cross. That one right there is probably it. Midpoint. One of them's off. So let's just delete that one. Midpoint. There we go. Now I'd go ahead and group this together, Control G, and then just nudge it back. Well, let's just do this because, we've got the same triangle, but there's no midpoint because that's a long line. Now this has of an intersection, but on this side, it's just an edge. So by having this, we have something we can rotate off of. Take your Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to go with a darker purple. And then take your Interactive Fill tool and try to click on it, but come straight down. Because you've got a flat, and this is just my suggestion. And then let's put a little black in that box. Move this down all the way. We don't want quite so much black. Maybe put another purple. So it just gives you a little bit of black. Now here's the part you're going to center. Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the rotation and it'll snap to that intersection. Now just rotate it 120 degrees. Control D, and then delete that. And there you have it. Take away your indexing line. Let's see what it looks like with a black background. Object, order, back of page. We've still got a red line in there. So what we can do is select it all, go up here and right click, no line. You could actually have a purple line if you wanted to. It doesn't really matter. Anyway, kind of a neat project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.